Hi, I'm Tiffany Fykes, and today I'm going to be tackling a question I'm hearing a lot more often now that homes are not necessarily selling in the first weekend. How can I buy a house if I've got a house that I need to sell first? And there are a lot of creative ways to do that. Number one, the short answer is if you have to sell to qualify to buy a new home, you can't. But there are a lot of creative ways of how to get you a new home while needing to sell your other home. So, number one, first and foremost, you always have the opportunity of selling to a cash buyer. There are programs that do it. We help sellers sometimes by buying their homes for them. You usually sell at a discount, but it ups your convenience level. You know your home is sold, you know what amount you're gonna get for it, and that allows you to go buy another house. But here's the great news, that's not your only option. You can also right now buy homes with home sale contingencies or with longer lease back opportunities when you sell your home. So what that looks like is maybe we go out and we start looking for your house, and we are right now under contract with a couple of buyers on properties that they still need to sell their home. So we were able to negotiate what's called a home sale contingency, which means we only have to buy this house if our house sells, because that's the only way that we can make this work. And sellers are more open to that in a lot of situations. But what you can also do is flip that. Put your house on the market first and then find your buyer, and you can either make it contingent on finding a new home, or we also had some people earlier this year that put their home under contract and then it was a 2-month closing period, or they put their home under contract, they closed, and then they got to lease it back for 2 months while they found their new home. So that's another option on how you can buy a home without selling it. And then the last option is you can do some sort of bridge loan. There's some creative financing sometimes. You can borrow money from family. We've got a lot of different ways that we can help you bridge between the home you need to sell and the home you want to buy. Because here's the other thing. Secretly, I don't want you to sell your house if you can keep it as a rental property that would help you in your investing and wealth building journey. So we're very familiar with all of the different ways. If you're wondering how could I do it or what are my options, my team and I would love to sit down with you, have a free strategy session around what makes the most sense if you have a home to sell before you want to buy. Have a great day.